Unlocking Instagram Threads, everything you need to know. Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, Instagram Threads. If you are a social media enthusiast, you've probably heard of it, but do you know all the ins and outs? Stick around, and we'll make sure you are in the know. Hey there, I'm your name, and in this video, we'll be unraveling the mysteries of Instagram Threads. It's not your typical messaging app, it's designed for your closest friends and packed with features you might not even know about. So, let's dive right in. What is Instagram Threads? First things first, what exactly is Instagram Threads? Well, it's Instagram's answer to private and intimate communication. It's an app that's all about connecting with your closest friends. When you open Threads, you'll see a list of your close friends, those you've marked as your inner circle on Instagram. It's like having a separate space just for them. You can send messages, photos, videos, and even use the camera to share what you're up to in the moment. It's like having a window into your friend's world. And speaking of the camera, Threads lets you capture and share moments effortlessly. It's perfect for those spontaneous updates you want to share with your inner circle. Features galore. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about the impressive features that Threads offers. One standout feature is Status. It lets you set an automatic status for your close friends. Whether you are at the gym or catching up on your favorite show, your friends will know. You can even customize your auto status based on your location. It's a neat way to keep your friends updated without typing a word. And let's not forget about disappearing messages. Threads takes privacy seriously, and these messages vanish once they've been seen. No need to worry about your chats hanging around forever. Customization and privacy. When it comes to Instagram Threads, you are in control. You can customize who sees your updates, who can reach out to you, and even who sees your current status. Plus, you can fine-tune your notification settings. You'll only be alerted to the messages and updates that matter most to you. And if you're someone who likes to share their location, Threads has you covered. You can easily share your real-time location with your close friends. Tips and tricks. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's go over some pro tips to help you make the most out of Instagram Threads. If you're worried about spending too much time on the app, you can set a daily limit. This will help you strike a balance between staying connected and not getting too distracted. And here's a time saver, long press the Threads icon to quickly send a photo or video. It's a shortcut that keeps you in the moment. Last but not least, don't forget about dark mode. It's not just easy on the eyes, it can save your battery too. Well, there you have it, folks. Instagram Threads is all about bringing you closer to your closest friends. It's a unique messaging app with features designed to enhance your private communication experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or want to share your Instagram Threads tips, drop them in the comments below. Connect us via social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Contact us via WhatsApp, call, website. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, stay connected with your inner circle and keep sharing those special moments. Take care.